Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be starting a new series on the channel called Color of the Week. I chose this green color by Kiko. This is the 531 Pearly Green Butterfly. I will start by applying my base coat. I use this 4-in-1 Complete Care base coat by Flormar. This series was inspired by Femke from the FemketjeNL YouTube channel. Sorry if I mispronounced your name. She has a series, let's call that name, called Nail Polish of the Week, if I'm not mistaken, where she paints her nails and she tells a little bit. The link to her channel is in the description box if you want to have a look. So I really enjoy watching her videos, so I thought, why not try something different in the channel, and maybe, just maybe, I can start talking a little bit more. I decided to call this series Color of the Week because the main idea is to paint my nails weekly with 1 or 2 colors and talk to you. If you think this series should have a different name, please let me know in the comment section. So this base coat is by Flormar, as I stated before. It dries pretty fast, I really like it and I feel my nails stronger. It has a purple color but it dries clear. For the first color for this series I chose this green. It's by Kiko and it's the 531 Pearly Green Butterfly. This green is really pretty. It has a silver shimmer. I don't know if you can see it very well. I am applying the first coat of this color, but I will be applying 2 coats. I really like green nail polish. And you, which is your favorite color? As you can see, I have a little bit of polish on my skin. You can clean this with your nails or use an orange stick as I'm showing. Now I will continue painting the first coat of this color on my nails and back to the series. As I said, the main idea is to upload 1 video weekly, painting my nails with 1 or 2 colors. If there is any color I used in one of my previous videos and you would like to see in this series, let me know in the comment section. Now I am applying the second coat. Don't forget to seal the edges and clean around your nails if needed. Maybe. If you have nail related questions I could answer in this video series, let me know what you think, and if you have anything related to nails, feel free to ask in the comment section so I can answer in a next video. Top coat, I will be using this base and top coat by Cien. If you are from Europe, you can find this brand at Lidl supermarkets. I think it was about 2 euros, this nail polish. I'm not really sure about the exact price. Even though it says base and top coat on this nail polish, I only use this as a top coat. Hope you enjoyed this video. Would you like to see more videos like this? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and I see you in my next video.